Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add the Klarna Payments app to your Shopify store. Klarna lets your customers pay later or in installments, making it easier for them to buy and helping you boost sales. Let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, go to the lower left and click on Settings. Once you're here, go to Payments. Under Payments, click Add Payment Method. Here, search for Klarna. Once you find Klarna, choose the provider that works best for your store. Then, click Install to add that provider. This will load the installation for your payment method. Next, click Install again. Here, we need to confirm the linking. Let's go ahead and confirm. Now, we will log in with an email, username, and password. We can also create an account here if needed. Once that's done, the Klarna app is ready to use in your Shopify store. That's how we add the Klarna Payments app to your Shopify store. With Klarna, we can offer flexible payment options and give customers a better checkout experience.